Y'all know I'm the cold start king, so we finna go ahead and give y'all a cold start. It's 40 degrees out here. Y'all hang tight. Huffed and it puffed, but it started. My baby right there. I told y'all, man, this truck is gonna buy all three of my, well, all the other four of my trucks. So we got Big Daddy right here. Oh, we got this one right here too. It's almost ready to go. I actually just got the approval to lease this truck on yesterday, but we're still under a hiring freeze. So, you know, it is what it is. But I'm actually getting the fan clutch changed out on this truck. I'll pay the $22.90 next week, and then we'll go ahead and start the process of leasing it on. Y'all that don't know, man, it takes like fucking 30 days to lease a damn truck on over here. Similar to Landstar's BS, but it is what it is. But hey, that's the cold start, man. That's Big Daddy right there. That's my baby. Getting ready to start our night. Y'all that don't know, we're going throughout the night. 6:20. That's to be done by 3 o'clock in the morning. Hey, any questions, concerns, drop in the comment section below. If you want to get in contact with me, send me an email.